Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing fine wherever you are. And if you're watching me for the first time, then I'm Pratibha and welcome to my channel where we learn about makeup and hairstyle every Tuesday and Friday. So guys, in today's video, we are going to learn about contour. So till now, we saw how to create a perfect base for makeup. So once you create a perfect base for makeup, canvas is created now for your painting. So what is painting? Painting is nothing but highlighting the center of your face and contouring the edges of your face and then doing eye makeup, applying blush and highlighter and everything. So guys, now we will be moving on to these steps. Till now what we have learned is cleansing, toning, moisturizing, applying primer, how to do correction on your face, how to apply foundation, how to apply concealer and then powder, and then comes contouring. So today we are going to talk about this topic. So guys, when you do this cleansing, toning, moisturizing, applying primer, then correcting your flaws and then applying foundation, what happens is you create a perfect base, you create a perfect canvas on which you can start your paint. So why we have to do this? Because when you correct your face and then you apply foundation, your face has become all flat. So it's very important for you to bring back those dimensions. When you naturally observe your face, guys, you see there are shadows in your face. You see that some parts are highlighted in your face. Some parts are not that much highlighted because there are shadows on your face. So same thing you have to achieve with makeup also. It's very important for you to create that shadows and highlighting in proper areas of your face so that your makeup looks natural and flawless. So guys, always remember the center of your face is highlighted and the edges of your face is contoured. So today we are going to learn about contouring. Now, when we talk about contouring, it's very important for you to understand that the contouring is different for different face types. So first we'll learn about face types and then we'll move on how to contour your face. When I talk about the face type, what does it mean? So there are many face types, diamond, triangle, so there are many types of face. So which one are you? If you don't know, then I'll be sharing two ways with you which will help you identify your face shape. So first is just observe yourself in the mirror, and when you observe yourself in the mirror, you have to just draw a silhouette of the edges of your face. Like just take a crayon or a marker or anything, just observe your face in the mirror and then draw the silhouette, that is the edge of your face. As per you see in the mirror, you have to draw it in your mirror. Be able to identify that which shape it is. Sketch that you have drawn is completely round, that means your face is round. If you see, if it is an oval shape, then your face is, if it is like a heart shape, then it is heart. This is one way to identify your face shape. Second way is to use a measuring tape. Now you need 3 measurements to identify which is your face shape. So first measurement is your forehead, okay, like this, from here to here. Second is your cheekbone, from here to here. Third is your jawline, from this ear to this ear. And fourth is your height of the face. Okay, so these are like 3 to 4 measurements which you need to identify your face shape. Now when you measure these, guys, if you see, mine is like 6 and then 8 and then 7, something like that. So if you see, the widest part in my face, even if you observe my face shape, guys, you will see the widest part in my face is my cheekbones. So that means my cheekbone is the widest part, and when I'm doing contouring, I have to contour my cheekbones. Okay, so the ideal shape, face shape, is the oval face shape. That doesn't mean that oval is the best face shape and rest all face shapes are not good. It is not like that, guys. It's just that oval face shape doesn't have to contour much because their cheekbone and their forehead bone is like completely blended. There's nothing much to contour in their face because it is like completely blended with each other. So everything is blended and they have an oval face shape. So what we do in contouring is like all the other face shapes like round, square, diamond, we just try to contour the edges so that the illusion that is created is of an oval face shape. So even if you are not oval and even if you're square, even if you're round, even that is beautiful the way it is, guys. So please don't think that only oval is beautiful and rest all are not beautiful. It's not like that. All the face shapes, the way it is, they are beautiful. You have to just contour some parts so that it looks more beautiful than it is. So guys, what is a round face shape? So when you take your measurements, if you see that your height of the face and your width of the face is same, that means you have a round face shape. And you will see that you have nice chubby cheeks, okay? So that means you have a round, nice face shape. So in this face shape, if you see your image over here, you have to contour all the edges of your face, okay? So like the forehead, little bit of your cheekbone, this area, and your jawline, and everything you have to contour. Round face shape, so that when you contour this, whatever illusion is created here with the highlight, it will give you illusion of an oval face shape and a nice chiseled face shape. Next comes, guys, oval. As I've spoke so much about oval, I don't have to speak much. So if you see an image over here, so oval face shapes are like completely blended. Their cheekbone, forehead, everything is completely blended, and they don't have much to contour on your face. So you just have to contour your cheekbones here so that it looks nice lifted. The only area that you need to contour in oval face shape. Now next comes, guys, heart. Now how to identify if you are a heart face shape? In heart face, if you see my face, guys, I have wide cheekbones, but my forehead is again little bit of narrowed. Okay, it is not wide. So my shape is not heart. Even if I have wide cheekbones, I don't have a wide forehead, so it's not a heart shape. But if you see in this image, you will see that their cheekbone and their forehead both are wide, and this jawline is like tapered down. Okay, and the chin is little bit of downwards like this, and then it makes a shape of a heart, because heart is broad from up and it is narrow from below. So that is a heart face shape. Now how to contour the heart face shape? So you just have to understand this logic, guys. Whatever you feel is more in your face, there you have to create little bit of shadows. You need to cut that area a little bit. So with contouring with the heart face shape, what you are going to do, because your forehead and your cheekbones, this area is little bit more, you are going to contour this area here. Okay, this much. Nicely you are going to contour, and because you have narrow chin area, so you don't have to contour this area, just the forehead and your cheekbone, this much area you have to contour so that it becomes like chiseled and it matches with your area. That looks nice. Next we'll move on to, so I've written here, if you're a round face shape, you have to contour all the edges of your face. If you're an oval face shape, you just have to contour little bit near your cheekbones here, and if you're a heart face shape, you have to contour this forehead and your cheekbone, this area. Okay, so all this is clear. Now we'll move on to square. If you're a square face shape, square means what? All sides are similar. Means what? This measurement, your forehead measurement and your jawline measurement will be same. Okay, then it is a square. So now when I'm telling you, that time only you'll be able to understand what you have to contour, right? Because your forehead is broad and your jawline is broad, so you have to contour little bit near your forehead and little bit near your jawline. So when you contour your jawline, guys, you already have a sharp jawline. So mainly when we contour, what we do, we draw a line here and we draw a line here, like this we contour like a L. But in square, you don't have to make this L because you already have a sharp jawline. What you can do is you can just contour like this, straight from this below your ears, just draw a line here like this, so that this part is little bit of cut and chiseled. And now next we'll move on to triangle face shape. Triangle face shape is also known as pear face shape. So what happens is your this part, upper part is little bit narrow, and your chin part, this part, jawline part is little bit broad. So if you feel your this jawline part is little bit broad and this is little bit narrow, that means you are a triangle, okay, or a pear shape. So in this case, what you have to contour is, again I said that this is little bit of more. So you have to contour this area here. If you see an image here, complete this area, your cheekbones, starting from your cheekbones and this area, jawline, everything will be contoured so that it gives a nice oval face shape. And guys, you don't have to contour your forehead in pear face shape because you already have like a narrow forehead. So you don't have to contour this part over here, just this part. So next we'll talk about diamond face shape, guys. In diamond face shape, if you see, their cheekbone is the widest area in their face, and this forehead area is again narrowed, and this jawline area is also again narrowed down. So if you see Malaika Arora's face, guys, her cheekbones are the prominent thing that we see in her face. Okay, then her this is little bit of narrow, this is also narrowed. So what we can see in her face is just her cheekbones. Okay, so that is called a diamond face shape. So in diamond face shape, as you can see, this is narrow, this is narrow, everything is narrow. What is broad is only the cheekbone. So you just have to contour the cheekbones here a little bit below your cheekbone, this part. That's it. So guys, next is the oblong face shape. So what happens in oblong face shape is, it is like oval only, but it is little bit longer than oval. Okay, so it's little bit of long. So what happens in oblong, because your face is long, you have a nice balance here. Okay, this part. So you don't have to contour this part over here. What you have to contour is whatever is long. So your chin area, this part is like this long, right? So you just have to contour your chin and little bit of your forehead if needed. So this part you have to contour, and here it's a perfect balance. It's like all in shape. So you don't have to contour anything else, just your chin and forehead. So if you see here, round you have to contour all the edges of the face. Oval you have to just contour below the cheekbones. Heart face shape, again forehead and cheekbones you have to contour. Square is forehead and jawline. Triangle you have to contour the cheekbones and jawline. Diamond you have to contour only their cheekbones because everything else is narrow. And oblong you have to just contour your chin and forehead. What you need to understand is, you just have to understand that you have to create a perfect balance. Contouring is just to balance your face. So whatever you see is little bit of more, just contour that part. That's it. And if you're confused, just contour the edges of the face. That's it guys, and you'll be good to go. Okay, now if you're a makeup artist, so you cannot like keep on measuring everyone's face, right, to see what is their face shape. So in that case guys, you just have to observe the face shape, and whenever you're drawing a silhouette on the mirror, just make sure that you have tied your hair fully backwards. Okay, no hair strand should be there on your face. Pull your hair completely back and then see your face shape. Then only you'll be able to identify your face shape properly. So again, for clients also guys, you just have to keep their hair back and then observe the face. Just see whatever is broadest in their face and contour that part. Okay, so that's it. I hope guys you found today's video useful and you've learned something new. If you liked it, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. In this week Friday's video, I'll be showing you a practical implementation of whatever we have learned today, like how to contour. Practically I'll be showing you guys, so please don't miss out on that video because I'll be sharing all the tips and tricks help you to contour your face perfectly. So subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button so that you get notified, and also share it with your friends and family guys so that even they benefit with these free videos. Now I'll be seeing you in my Friday's video. Till then, bye and take care.